Hey everybody, this is Charlene Davis, coming to you today with a quick video and an update on how my journey has been going with the Power Lead system. I have been with the program for about 6 weeks, but really consistently working it for about 3.5 weeks. Our team called the Freedom Takers, actually started doing a 90-day blitz program, which is a daily training tool to help us new people really put all the tools together. Because there are so many online marketers or people that are trying to earn an income online that just are not successful. And this is something that our team has put together, or my upline has put together, to really help us become successful. So I can't wait to share with you what my results are at the end of the 90 days. But I'm about 3 weeks into that program where I'm consistently working a couple hours a day. I'm working the trainings that have been laid out before me when it comes to promoting on YouTube, promoting on Facebook, how to generate leads and market myself. And I've been doing all of these things consistently now for about 3 weeks. And so I just wanted to share with you a little bit about my experience. So when you get started, you can come in as a gold member, a diamond member, or a platinum member. And depending which level you come in at, you can earn $20 residual commissions for everybody that comes in. So it's a monthly commission, and that's very important because if you're like me, you have residual bills every month. They just keep coming. The cell phone bill, the cable bill, the electric bill, all of these things keep coming. So you need a residual income to make sure that those bills are covered when you decide to leave your 9 to 5, if that's what your goal is. Then you can upgrade to a diamond member, and it's a one-time fee of $147. But each time one of my gold members upgrades to a diamond member, I will receive a $100 commission. Then the next level is the platinum level. And when my diamond members upgrade to platinum, which is another fee or a one-time fee of $497, I will be rewarded with a $400 commission. So after, a period of time, you have a number of gold members already in your organization, and it's only a matter of time before they begin to see the value and upgrade to those diamond and platinum levels, generating the full-time income. So very easy to get started. So when you sign on or get started, we already have a done-for-you funnel. So we send you a little video, you watch, and literally you can have your sales funnel, which is your lead capture page and your sales page, set up in your back office in about 5 minutes. And then we can begin teaching you how to send traffic to that funnel. So like any online business, traffic is power. The more traffic, the more sales, the more money you're going to make. And you can do that through generating free traffic, such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, all of those types of platforms. Or you can, do paid traffic through solo ads. And I choose to do a combination of both because at the end of my 90-day program, I want to be earning $700 or to $1,000 per week. So let's talk about the traffic that I've been generating in the last 3 weeks. So every time somebody goes to my funnel, I have it set up to my email. So you can see my Gmail here. And let me just do a quick search. So every time somebody opts into my funnel through my lead capture page, I get an email that says a prospect just filled out an opt-in form. Okay. So over the last, I'll move myself over here. Over the last few weeks, you can see the dates here. So I had a new customer arrive yesterday, or actually 2 days ago. That's a $20 commission. On the 7th of May, I had 81 new leads come in through my funnel. And you got to remember, this is all cold traffic, people that I do not know through either a solo ad or through my Facebook page is really where I'm focusing right now. Then if I go down to the 7th, May 6th and 7th here, I had another PLS customer, a gold member. So remember, these gold members are now becoming affiliates so they can too promote the Power Lead system. And every month that gold member will pay me a $20 residual income as long as they remain a gold member. I go back to May 6th. I have 100 more leads, 100 more people that filled out an opt-in form. May 5th, I had a gold member. May 3rd, another gold member. May 2nd, a gold member. May 2nd, again, I had 82 more leads here. 2 gold members on April 30th. A new lead lightning, 2 of those. The 30th, and another PLS customer. So I can, continue to go down, and you'll see that I even have more. So like I said, I've been really consistent now over the last 3 weeks, and these gold members, almost every single day, I'm getting 1 to 2 new gold members, which will then pay me a $20 residual income every single month. Will they all stick around? Absolutely not. The majority of them will. Some people just get started and realize this isn't for them, and that's fine. I want to work with those people who are serious about building an income online and serious about building a business because they want to make a change. If you want to make a change, I want to help you make that change. So I'm looking for serious entrepreneurs. So these are some of the results that I've seen just in the last few weeks. This goes back only through the end of May. But I'm seeing these results on a daily basis. I can just continue to scroll through, and you can see back on April 13th, 100 new leads. April 14th, 19 leads. Very, very consistent if you're consistent. So I'm not generating a huge income at this point. I'm showing about $400 in residual income per month with the opt-ins and the gold members that I currently have. So it's not a huge income, but everybody has to start somewhere, and there is a learning curve. We do have in our back office a large training area where we teach people how to do free leads. In addition to the 90-day blitz that we're doing currently, if you come in as a diamond or a platinum member, you will have access to these 90-day blitz trainings, and we're only just the starting of our 3rd week. So you can go back to the beginning and watch all of these recordings if you come in as a diamond or a platinum member. Then we have a training area which will teach you how to create a lead capture page, how to create a sales page. There are a lot of people using the Power Lead system that are not promoting the Power Lead system. So what does that mean? So that means they might have another online business that they're looking to promote and generate leads for. Those people can become a member of the Power Lead system and create lead capture pages and sales pages in our back office, and they're very simple to do to generate leads for their other business. Maybe they have an MLM business or some other type of company that they are looking to generate leads for. And all of that training is located right here on how to create videos and lead captures, sales pages, all of those types of tools. So those have been my results for the last 3 or 4 weeks. I'm looking forward to what the next 60 to 75 days has to bring as I go through this process, and I look forward to sharing it with you. So continue to keep working and be consistent. I'd love to have you join my team, and we can talk about what our team is doing to help you. If you want to make a change, you are in the right place at the right time. Just reach out to me. Below this video, you will find a link to reach out to me on Facebook. You can drop a comment underneath my video. And You can also find me on the Freedom Takers Facebook group page. My phone number is also listed below. Send me a text. Let's connect. Watch some of our videos and I can answer questions for you. But I'm really, anybody who's serious about making a change, let's connect, and I look forward to speaking with you soon. And we'll talk to you again in the next day or two. Take care.